So how do you store data on an iCloud instead of iPhone? Let's talk about that. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. Anyways, what we need to do at first is to check out the Files app where in the left section you can find locations. And there are more locations which you can browse in between. One of them is the On My iPhone, which is for local storage. And the other one, or the other main one, is the iCloud drive. And if you want to start using iCloud, you can just move stuff by dragging or moving it to the iCloud storage from your local storage. So you can hold down on your individual folders and click on copy or move and just place it to the iCloud folder, right? That would be generally for some random files on your iPhone. However, for a deeper and more integrated approach, you need to open up the settings app of your device, click on your name at the top of the list, and proceed to the iCloud section where you can essentially decide which app will be backed up to the iCloud, right? So a lot of people have their iCloud photos automatically backed up, so it will just all be uploaded right there. Or some random apps like Notes or I don't know, like reminders and stuff like that can also be backed up and, shared with other devices on your iCloud network. So you don't use the local storage, but you have access to the iCloud. Keep in mind, though, that by default, we all have 5 gigs of storage available for free. And if you need more, you'll then need to pay for the monthly subscription for more and some additional iCloud storage. But that would be about it. That is everything I wanted to show and share in this video. So let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.